Hi everyone, I'm Lay. Welcome to my channel. So today I am so excited to share with you how to find online jobs on Fiverr and also how to set up your account. So we're gonna set it up together, okay? So I'm gonna show you step by step. And just to let you know that I am doing these online jobs for more than 10 years, so I'm happy to share with you some tips. So if this is for you, you make sure to subscribe so you will get more tips on my videos, and you can also comment on the comment box and let me know what kind of tips that you want to know about home-based online jobs. So go ahead, click subscribe now. Thank you.
You go to fiverr.com and click on join. You can choose to continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple, or you can fill in your email address immediately, choose a username and a password, and click on join. Very easy. So now we are in. After you register, you need to activate your account, and you have to go to your email and click on activate your account. This is very important. And so once it says account successfully activated, then it's time to edit your profile. If you're like me who's excited to go into different jobs, then go ahead. These are the different jobs here in the top: graphics and design, digital marketing. If you hover over your mouse in there, so the drop down of the specific jobs under that will appear. So for example, graphics and design, there's the logo and brand identity, gaming, visual design, where there's Photoshop editing. If you can do that, that would be cool. Print design, even merchandise, t-shirts and merchandise. Um, if you hover over on digital marketing, there's SEO, social media marketing, writing, translation, video, animation, music, audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle. This is interesting because I couldn't find this in other online platforms. So you can see there is online lessons, fitness, craft, cooking, arts and crafts, even there's relationship advice, health, nutrition and fitness, and even astrology. So let's go through the craft lessons because I'm curious about this. So you can see I'll teach and guide you through sewing. It's starting at $10. Make origami. So these are all DIY tutorials starting from $10 to $15 per project, right? Um, Industries, it's about gaming. What else in lifestyle? Look at this relationship advice. This is interesting. So if you are very confident to guide someone about their relationships, so this is the segment for you. So there's I'll be your life coach and guide, $30. There's accurate reading about your love life, $5. So there's a lot here. There's a lot of cool gigs here. So you just have to browse. So after browsing on Fiverr and you decided, for example, you want to do online language lessons, so you need to check and find inspiration here. So for example, this one, online teaching, look at how he designed his front cover. I will teach English, spelling, reading, and comprehension online. So if you're going to click on it, so you observe how the others do it in your segment. So you see here, there's basic, standard, and premium. So if you click on basic, it's $80, maximum of 4 children group lesson. Standard, $120, premium, $160, one-on-one lesson. So you see here, these are her cover photos, or the photos of the lesson that she wants to impart. So there's the spelling in there, AE sound, So there's spelling, homophone. So you need to go find an inspiration from any one of this that is related to what you do. Okay? And then after that, you have to go to your profile, go ahead and edit your profile. You prepare all the cover photos and the posts, the details of the services that you want to. So it's important to have a cover photo like this. Hold on, look at this. So you see everyone has a cover photo. So you need to stand out. It's better if you put a text like this, spelling and reading, or learn German easy and fast. So it's better that way, this way, because they can see what you do in an instant, in just an instant when they look and browse. This one, online French lessons, learn German, native speaker, it's fun, hablar español, so something like that. Okay? So go ahead, go to your profile and start making your profile look good. Okay? I put photo. Which option best describes you? I am a freelancer. Which industry? So advertising, save changes. And then after that, you can click on create a new gig. So this is where you're going to start your journey to Fiverr. Ready to start selling on Fiverr? Here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile. So that's what I was telling you, that you have to go find an inspiration in the posts, the one who's got 5 stars. Check what they do with their profile and check how they present themselves and learn from that. Okay? Create your seller profile. You add your picture. It's very important to add your profile picture, description, and professional information. And then you publish your gig. So create a gig of the service you're offering and start selling instantly. What makes a successful Fiverr profile? Your first impression matters. So you have to create an amazing profile that will stand out from the crowd on Fiverr. So take your time in creating your profile so it's exactly as you want it to be. All right? Add credibility by linking out to your relevant professional networks. Accurately describe your professional skills to help you get more work. Put a face to your name, it's very important. Upload a profile picture that clearly shows your face. And to keep the community secure for everyone, they may ask you to verify your ID. And this is very important. These are the things you want to steer clear of. Do not provide op- do not provide any misleading or inaccurate information about your identity. Opening duplicate accounts, you can always create more gigs. Soliciting other community is prohibited, of course, and requesting to take communication and payment outside of Viber is also not allowed. So here it goes. I'm going to make my profile and go ahead and make yours. And you can let me know if you have any questions about this one. Just ping me, all right? Or comments in the comments box below. Thank you. Bye.